one, these are the dorsal muscles. They're either extensors or supinators. So one, which is missing here, is the Brachioradialis. Number two is the Extensor carpi radialis longus.
Can you point to specifically, please?
Sure, it's this one.
Okay.
See, there's a split here.
Ah.
So it goes Extensor carpi radialis longus, Extensor carpi radialis brevis, Extensor digitorum communis, Extensor digitorum lateralis, Extensor carpi ulnaris. I guess the ulnar is where the elbow points out. So again, one is the Brachioradialis, which is out here. Two is the Extensor carpi radialis longus. Three is the Extensor carpi radialis brevis. Four is the Extensor digitorum communis. Five is the Extensor digitorum lateralis. And six is the Extensor carpi ulnaris. Now underneath the superficial muscles, on the upper third of the radius, we have the supinator. And then there's a split. You could actually feel the radius bone.
That's the worst part. I cringe in every video you do that.
All right. And then the...
It's the pronator.
No, the other side. And remember, extensor, pollicis, brevis. It extends the pollicis or the thumb. Okay?
Where's
So
the split between
supinator,
them?
see there's a line here, like bare bone.
Yeah.
So the supinator is on the upper third of the radius going towards the elbow. The extensor pollicis brevis on the lower 2/3 going towards the wrist.
Cool.
So I'll ask it like down here if I ask it. If I ask the supinator, it'll be up near the elbow.
Cool.
Extensor pollicis brevis. Think about what the word means. Okay, now I'm going to turn the cat over to the anterior ventral side.
So the outer part is the radius, which is the
Remember the
inside
radius?
of the. Okay.
Radius is medial and the ulnar is lateral. Right?
Okay, so then we flip it over.
Okay, I'm going to flip them over, see which side is better. Actually, this side is better in this cat. Okay, so this one here, the first one, which looks a little like the blade of a hockey stick on the bottom, is the Pronator teres.
Can you? It's this on the left. Okay.
See, it's the one I always call the hockey stick one. Then number two is the Flexor carpi radialis. Then the easiest one to find in the middle is the palmaris longus. And then on the ulnar side, you have the Flexor carpi ulnaris. So again, Pronator teres 1, Flexor carpi radialis 2, palmaris longus 3, Flexor carpi ulnaris number 4. Now if we lift the palmaris longus, all the deep stuff here is called the Flexor digitorum profundus.
Which part?
All of this. It has 5 heads. Profundus, because it's profound or deep.
So what's the difference between the profundus and the things that you just pointed out? Is it?
Well, deeper, like palmaris longus is right on top.
Okay.
Then under it is the Flexor digitorum profundus. And then underneath that, we got to go all the way down to the bone. The muscle right on the bone is the Pronator Quadratus, because it's a little dried out on this cap. It's right on the radius and ulnar. So you have
What's that called?
Pronator Quadratus.
So as opposed to the hockey stick one, which is over here, so you're saying you have to open it up?
Yeah, these are all superficial. They're right under
So
the skin.
to get it internal, you open the
Palmaris longus.
Uh-huh.
Under palmaris longus is the Flexor digitorum profundus. And then underneath that is the Pronator Quadratus, which is all the way down on the bone.
Okay.
So there are 3 levels, right? There's superficial, there's intermediate, and then there's like really deep.
And then over here we have the triceps and the biceps.
Yeah, you want to do those again, or?
Oh yeah, that'd be a nice quick
All
review.
right, all right. Let me go over the arm muscles again.
While we're already
Okay,
there.
could you guys see? I don't want to. All right.
Hello. Hi
Okay.
there. Okay.
Okay, so first you have the long head of the triceps brachii. You have the lateral head of the triceps. Actually, it's better on the other side. I'm sorry. I don't want to ruin the video, but
No, it's all good.
okay.
You make the video.
Okay, all right. All right. Which one is this? Just to see if you remember. Long head, which goes through to both sides. See, I could put the long head of the triceps brachii. This is the lateral head on the side of the arm. And now if we turn the cat over on this side, first there's a superficial muscle that covers the medial surface of the arm called the epitrochlearis.
Yeah.
This is the long head again. So I could ask you the long head from either the front or the lateral or medial views. This is the long head of the triceps brachii. These are nerves here, the brachioplexus. Under the nerves is the medial head of the triceps brachii. That's this right here. Next to the medial head, on the anterior medial surface of the arm, is the biceps brachii. And then next to the lateral head, anterior lateral, is the brachialis. So the biceps brachii and the brachialis are both on the anterior surface of the humerus. Biceps brachii is medial, and the brachialis is lateral.
Okay, great. That's it for the arm muscles?
That's it for the arm muscle.